Moist sterilization involves the heating of equipment using steam under pressure. The steam produced kills the toughest of the microorganisms. Moist heat sterilization technology is the most widely used method of sterilization in the hospital system. It is done by using an instrument called the autoclave. An autoclave is an instrument used to sterilize equipment. It is a heavy stainless steel walled instrument that comprises of a heating vessel into which the packed equipment is placed. Let us understand how moist sterilization is done using the autoclave. The vessel is partially filled with water through the water supply connections. The instruments are placed in the vessel without any contact to the water. Heat to convert the water into steam is generated by an electric coil that is connected to the power supply. The vessel is covered with a lid and is tightly sealed with the help of valves. A pressure gauge is also attached to the autoclave to note the pressure that is generated within the vessel. Equipment that needs to be sterilized is packed and placed into the vessel. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for an equipment to be sterilized using the autoclave. Before sterilization, the instruments need to be cleaned and then packed using cloth. This process is called packing. As a hospital assistant, your role is to assist in the packing of instruments for sterilization. Let us look at the steps in the process of packing. Wash your hands well with warm water and soap before you begin the process. On a clean table, place the cloth that is used to pack the instruments. The cloth has 4 strings on the corners. Clean the instruments to be sterilized with a detergent. Place the instruments on the cloth and arrange them on the cloth. Ensure that they do not penetrate out of the cloth. Now pack the cloth tightly and tie the strings of the cloth around the pack. Hand over the pack to the nurse, who would then place the instruments in the autoclave for sterilization. Once the instruments are placed in the autoclave by the nurse, ensure that the valves on the lid are tightly closed. Keep a watch on the pressure and observe the time. Remember that the instruments should not be autoclaved for more than 20 minutes.